Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. This is Tracy, and I've been a little bit naughty and got some yarn today. Well, you know, doesn't hurt now and then, does it? I know I recently had a nice big yarn haul as a present from Gary, and then I did a bit of sleepwalking and got some yarn while I was awake. I blame sleepwalking. Not all of it's arrived yet, but today we found ourselves out and about, and we were in a different town, so I figured it would be silly not to really check out the Poundland, see if they had any of this new colours in. So we did, and they didn't, but we also went and popped along and had a little look in Dunelm. And as you know, I've done a few little Dunelm yarn orders, so they do sell it in there, and it's quite nice. So yeah, got a few bits and pieces. So in Poundland, they didn't really have anything new or very much at all. Just like our one, they were pretty thin on the ground, so but they had plenty of this. So I decided to stock up, as it is my favourite, plus I want to do some Happy Mail, and this is perfect for the Happy Mail because everybody loves it and can't get hold of it and would love it. So I got some of that, and I got myself this colour because I don't really have a great deal of this, and it is a lovely blue. These are all DK weight, 3 weight, and they're lovely and lovely soft yarn. And I've got a little bit more white because you know, we're having a baby around here, so I've got some white, but mostly I just got this. So I've probably shown you this so many times before. I should really tell you what it is, but I'm not sure if I can see very much. So this, believe it or not, is called white. So brother-in-law just leaving. Just called white, and it's 3 for 2, lovely and soft baby yarn, and this one is just called Essential DK, but it is well squishy. It's as soft as that baby yarn, if not softer. This has to be premium acrylic, surely. I can't see it on the label, but it is a very dodgy brown label, the way they kind of do this. It's just called, oh, hang on, is that word I don't like to pronounce? Is it cyan blue? But I got 3 of those, 3 whites, but the rest was all this one, and it's just the bright pink. That's what I think it's called, bright pink, as I remember rightly. And I got a fair amount of it. There's another 2, 3 of those. Absolutely love that. It is just, the colours are amazing. It's just beautiful. It's like that marbling yarn, just beautiful. I absolutely love it. It's really soft, and it does work up absolutely lovely. So that was Poundland, and you know, got lots of other goodies in Poundland as well, but mostly they're things, you know, for the house and stuff. So just bear with me a second. Sorry about that, someone was just leaving. They'd just come round to get something, and now they're gone. Anyway, so that's what I got from Poundland, and then we popped along to Dunelm. And as you know, I've been making the Circle in the Sand blanket, and I did the Circle in the Sand square first, which was slightly different, and then I did the blanket, which was a crochet along, and I used this. And I absolutely love this. It's my favourite yarn that they do in Dunelm, and it is Robin Paint Box DK, so that's a 3 weight. All of the yarn I got today is a DK, and this just called Shade 233, but I absolutely adore this yarn. I really love it. And in here you get 300 meters or 328 yards roughly. I'm really glad that it was black on a white yarn band, because my phone's up there and I don't have a spotlight. but I do have glasses. So I got one, get a couple of those, 2, 3 of those. I still have some as well, so that gives me a fair bit of that. I'll put them over there. Whoops, I've dropped something that I need to show you, so I'll have to pick it up in a second. It fell off the table. It's not a very big table in my defence, so just move the bag out of the way. I'm just going to pop you on pause for a second while I retrieve my stuff I've dropped. Sorry about that, but everything, as you know, when you drop it, goes miles. So while I was in while I was in Dunelm, I got a couple of these, and these are like little measuring tapes. Aren't they cute? They've got inches on one side and centimetres on the other, and you just press the little nose and it goes back in, but the little tufty tail, and then you press the little nose. I love these. So I've got a few of these. I've got the Pussycat and a bunny rabbit, I think. There we go, it's Pussycat, fluffy, and you press it and it goes in. Isn't that sweet? Nice little measuring tape. So as I say, I've got a few things for Happy Mail and stuff. So as well as that lovely Robin paint box in that gorgeous pastels, which is my absolute favourite of theirs, really lovely yarn, I have a little bit in this colourway, so I decided to get a little bit more, and this is shade 237, and I do have some of this. I've not really used it very much, but I did try the Circle in the Sand by using, because they make 3. There was this one, a turquoise, and the pastels, and I did try it in this, but I wasn't keen. But that's not to say that another pattern won't bring this into its own. But I found a yarn there that would go so well with this. So I bought 2 in this colourway. They don't have names, as I said. They are just 237, and so I only bought 2 because I still have 2. But I thought this looked absolutely gorgeous, and it is a lovely sort of lilac colour, but don't they go so well together? Absolutely lovely together. So I thought, you know, I've already got 2 of those, so that's 4, so I bought 4 of these. So I've got 1, 2, I haven't got very big hands, I'll try 4. There we go. Put them down quick before I drop them. But this is just plain Robin DK 100 gram ball, and it will be really small, won't it? Just to try and, let's see if I can see it. It's not the brightest day today. It's a bit overcast, and I wish it was, I could say that meant it cooled down. It hasn't. It's really muggy. I hate that when it's all sticky and muggy. It doesn't even have the decency to be sunny about it. So this is really proving difficult to see. I don't have a little light. But I'm going to give it a go. I don't care what crochet hook it tells me to use. That's just silly. 300, 328. 300 metres, 328 yards. And, oh yeah, I didn't tell you what it... is it on here? This, of course, this yarn band is miniature. Writing is stupidly small. Product code, shade and lot. So product code is 4032, shade is 53. But I love this. It's such a beautiful colour. Really is, and it goes so well with that. And I think I'm going to have to find a little project for these 2 together, because they're just gorgeous. So that was it, basically. I suppose it was quite a nice little haul, really. It wasn't too over the top. Didn't go crazy, but I just got a nice little lot from Poundland, and a few people were going to find that winging its way to them. Having said that, when I say winging, it will take a while, because the Happy Mail that I recently sent out hasn't arrived yet. And I remember I sent some Happy Mail to Sandy, Lefty's Right Crochet. Took months, and would seem to take forever, but she finally got it in the end. But I'm just so glad that I bought the last 3 balls they had in our Dunelm of this, because it's just gorgeous and it works up so lovely. and it reminds me that I really do need to get all of my squares attached and the border on that blanket and finish it, because where I've got stuck into other projects and tutorials and stuff, I've left that one and I need to get it done. But I love this. It's so gorgeous and it's so soft, absolutely lovely and soft. And yes, definitely one of my absolute all-time favorites. I'm just sort of trying to see if it says it is just basic acrylic, 100% acrylic, but it feels so much softer than that. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you, and I love these. They're like little toys. Toys for me. But I've got a tiger, a panda, and a few others. But aren't they lovely? They are just so cute. So lots to figure out someone now who will be my recipients of my Happy Mail. Won't get it off straight away, but I'll have to figure that out. So thanks for watching me. I hope you're all well and staying safe. And I'll see you all soon. See you tomorrow for Rocks Chat. And bye for now, everyone. Mwah. Take care.